Everything that a computer does now will be done 100 million times faster, which is quite mind-blowing.
Universal Quantum is a startup company founded at the University of Sussex. They're world leaders in ion trap-based systems to build the quantum computers.
They've asked us to become part of the consortium.
What we need to have is extreme isolation, so we're just left with the particle that we want. And so that's where the vacuum comes in.
The project needed what's called extreme high vacuum, 1,000 millionth of atmospheric pressure.
With the scale that we have within the vacuum technique business area in Atlas Copco, we have the ability to develop bespoke systems such this project needed.
It's really good.
What quantum computers do is they change the difficulty of the problem they're solving. When you think about really big problems.
It can, for example, be used to develop better drugs for cancer treatments, new airplane engines, fertilizer production, and for encryptions that are safer than our modern sort of RSA encryption.
Quantum computing is going to change the world, I think.